Move, dogs. I'll try this again. Hopefully I'll pick Parappa, not somebody else. What? Did you hear his voice?
Yes.
It sounded all deep. Like, we'll put on a show. It sounded so deep.
It sounded so deep.
It sounded deep to me.
It's
like he's been. It's like,
the voice was
oh my
deep.
god. It sounded to me like he was pounding to me with those brewskis, you know what I'm saying? Or Cup of beer, if you know what I mean.
Hang on, do stuff.
Oh my god. That is such a bad racist joke, I swear. Resident Clank, once again. Time to see. Dude, I like Radix voice. Oh, good, 3 Parappas. Now I can tell between who's who.
It's you. So who's you?
I'm the one in blue. With the I'm the original. With the yellow cap. Or orange cap.
Try to burn like a dog. You gotta keep back with that, let them kill each other.
So stupid. And then it was come after me.
No, they're never come after you.
Where am I? Did I die too? I got killed too. I did. I got killed too. Wrong way, Parappa.
I do.
Yes, I know. Give me those boots. I need them. Gotta rock out.
Oh, do South Park till we come on.
Who cares about South Park at this point?
Bye.
Nice, see ya. Nice, Dashi. See you later. Missed. He got me.
What'd you say?
What?
You said doggy?
No, he said target acquired. Not doggies. Take that, doggies. I'm gonna take Michael Vick's house. Sorry. Fast, stupid joke. I know. I'm sorry.
Don't say that.
I'm gonna get death threats.
Grab it, grab it. Use.
I'm trying to grab the sword.
Yeah, kill him. Kill him, man.
I'm trying. Just give me a chance.
Get the horse.
This game, man, is just all over the place. Oh! Ouch. Are you serious? Oh. Wrong place. A thousand fists.
Still watch your back.
Thousand fists! Gotcha! Look at your Radix. No. 3 map Parappas in different colors.
Well, I like the blue.
I like the blue one, yeah. Alright, who to try next?